Hello and welcome back. I'm Mr. 745, and with me is Miss Princess. Today, we're going to explore the home category in Daily English Prism.
Hi there. Let's get started. This time, we'll be learning about 10 kitchen utensils you should know in English. Without further delay, let's begin. Did you know that just 1 minute a day can boost your English skills? Hit subscribe and start learning with Daily English Prism. Here's a stainless steel whisk. It's perfect for mixing eggs and making your batter smooth. This is a spoon. It's used to scoop and eat food. This is a fork. It's used to pick up pieces of food. This is a knife. It's used to cut food. This is a plate. We use it to serve meals. This is a bowl. It's used for porridge, soup, or noodles. This is a pan. We use it for frying food. This is a stainless steel pot. You can use it to boil pasta or cook different kinds of soup. This is a ladle. It's used to serve soup. This is a cutting board. We use it to chop food. That's all for today. Now you've learned 10 useful kitchen utensils in English.
Great job! If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe now, and tap the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching Daily English Prism.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.